If you want to sound more professional at work, stop using basic English and start using these phrases. These are 10 business English phrases native speakers use every day. Imagine you're in a meeting or writing an email. What you say matters. Today, I'll show you exactly what to say in real work situations. You sent an email yesterday, but no one replied. Don't say, I'll check again. Say, I'll follow up on that email. It means I'll check again later and remind them. Your manager asks who will do a task, and you can say, I'll take care of it. It means I'll handle it and take responsibility. You must finish a project by Friday. So you say, you need to meet the deadline. It means you need to finish on time. You're leading a meeting today. So you say, I'm running the meeting today. It means I'm managing the meeting today. Someone asks you what you're doing these days, and you say, I'm working on a new project. It means I'm doing it these days. You don't know the answer now, so you can say, I'll get back to you later. It means I'll reply later. There's a problem to solve, so you can say, let me figure this out. It means let me find a solution. You want updates, so you can say, keep me posted. It means keep me updated. You want to say something in a meeting, so you can say, I'd like to bring up a point. It means I want to mention something. You want to finish a meeting, so you can say, let's wrap this up. It means let's finish and summarize. Which of these phrases do you usually use at work? Write them in the comment. I'll check them. Save this video and start using these phrases today. Follow for more real-life English.